Praveen. Today we are going to solve the 25 horse puzzle. So first let's read the instruction. So there are 25 horses. What is the minimum number of races needed so that you can identify the fastest three horses? So, so what are the restrictions? You can race up to 5 horses at a time, but you do not have a watch. So you cannot calculate how much time does a single horse take. Pause the video if you want your time. So let's get started with the solution. So first, we know to first simplify, we know first we have to arrange in a row. So this is let's make the rows of the 25 horses, in which let's name the row 1 as 1 A, B, C, D and E. So these are our rows, and in another row we will make it a column in which we would name this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in which the location of this horse would be A1. So like that we make all these rows. So for simplification, now we are going to take in this direction, this would be the fastest horse. Fastest, and here would be the slowest horse in the reference of A, B, C, D and E. So there would be the, in a similar way we go from the do in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. So here would be the fastest, and here would be the slowest. So now first we require the minimum 5 races to conduct. So let's take the first 5 races to go from would be race between the A, in which A row, in which it would include the horse A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So let's take the fastest horse as this, in which so we have conducted all these races. So we get the result that is horse 1, this is horse 1, horse 2, horse 3, horse 4 and horse 5. This the increasing in number denotes the increase in time. So the fastest horse of the column A would be H1. In a similar way we conduct the race of the column 2, which is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. In a similar way, H1 of the column 3, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. So we have to do this both for column 5 and 6. So that is H1, H1 for column 6, H2, H2, H3, H3, H4, H5, H4, H5 and H5. So now we have to conduct a race that of the row A, the fastest horse, in which of all these rows, which is H1, 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 H1 and H1 of the respectively column 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if we are doing this race, we would get the fastest horse. So for the simplification, the fastest horse of our case would be the H1. So we have got the fastest horse which we have got, that is rank first. So that we have obtained. So now how we can obtain the so this would be a one race, so plus 1. Now how can we obtain the first and the second and the third horses? So these all three fastest 3 horses could be run in a single row, or it could be run with another pair. So let's cut all these horses by the elimination process. So the last horse, so this row, that is column 4 and column 5, this whole would be eliminated. So these could not be our horses, because in fact they are coming the 4th and 5th in the conduct with the first race. with the fastest horse. So these could not be, but the third horse. This the third horse we need, so at least we require the three horses. And now in a we will do similar with E and F. In a race, if would be the third or up to the third, which would be the horse number 333. So these are also eliminated. Now we remain with the horse of 9 horses. That is A1, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, and C1, C2, C3. Now we can cut the horse that is B3 and C3, because in fact these horses are also the fastest horse in this row is coming the third in fact. So this could not be the scenario. And similarly we can cut the C2 horse. In fact it is also coming the third in the second fastest horse. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horses remaining, and 6 horses. In fact, we have got the fastest horse, so we do not need to race with it. Now we have 5 horses, and now we can race these 5 horses together and catch hold with the second and the third horses. So required we have got. So the total number of races we have conducted to find the fastest 3 horse is 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7 races. So there is a minimum 7 races need to be conducted to find the fastest 3 horses. So friends, I hope that you like this video, and at the last, thanks for watching.